Lord, you so good. Lord, you are kind. Lord, you are wonderful. My God, you are excellent. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveeee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I bring you the best and the simplest way to make your cow feet stew. Okay, so you know what? Let's get cooking. So to begin with, I have my cow feet neatly washed, prepped, and cut into biteable sizes. Yes, so I am adding my mise en place, that is blended garlic, ginger, onion, and then these are my seasoning. I'll be listing in the description box. Okay, so in my pressure cooker, I put in my cow feet and then add my mise en place and my seasoning. So we're going to add a lot of water to it, and then we're going to allow this to boil. Since I'm using the pressure cooker, it's going to take me like about 30 to 40 minutes. But if you don't have a pressure cooker, just use your saucepan. But it's going to take a bit longer to be cooked, okay? Especially if you want it very soft like I do. So now you see, after about 40 to 50 minutes, this is what we have here. Our cow feet is ready, but I'll still let it cook a bit because of the kids. Okay, so I have here my prepped onion, tomato, pepper, and ginger, and then I'll be adding some fennel seeds. So we're gonna blend this, and then we are beginning with the stew. So in my pot, I add some oil and my blended garlic, ginger, onion. So we allow it to simmer for a while. Then I add my blended tomatoes and co. Yeah, like I told you, if you want the best stew recipe ever, just follow this. Okay, so we cover this and then we allow it to cook very well, just like what we have here. As you can see, it's thickening up, right? So we just allow it to cook for extra 5 to 10 minutes. And just look at our cow feet. So we're gonna remove some of the bones and then strain the broth out of it. Okay, now my tomato base is ready because it's thick enough for me to add tomato puree to it. So we're gonna stir this for it to incorporate into each other. Then we add our broth. So this is from the cow feet we cooked. Okay, so we're gonna stir this, and then you can see it's still thick, so I'll add some water to it and then cover it and allow it to cook very well. Okay, so nebeya stew no enka. So just look at that. Once you stew no sweat to come. Now so at this point I had my seasoning, that's curry powder, stew seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and granulated garlic and ginger. So we allow it to cook and then we stir. So at this point, I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Thank you guys. Thank you. God bless you. I really appreciate your support. Okay, so you can see we are adding our delicious and soft cow feet into the stew, and then we are gonna stir this. Please be gentle about it, okay, so it doesn't spill or mess your cooker top. So please, if you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Then you check it out and share to your friends and family. Okay, wash stew na ye akono say. Yeah, so our stew is almost done. So at this point I add my onions to it just for color, flavor, and then I want to enjoy the onions in a crunchy state. You understand? So wash. I know you are craving for this. Stew we pa any banku, dokono, emo, any bayre. Oh, minu jai. I know you wanna try this. Thank you guys. And see you guys in our next video whilst we enjoy this delicious waakye. I love you guys. Bye, family.